In Lesson 6.2, we're going to be planning adjusting entries on a worksheet. We'll learn how to analyze and explain the adjustments for supplies and prepaid insurance. We're going to complete the adjustment columns of a worksheet. Planning adjustments on a worksheet. Cash paid for an expense in one fiscal period that is not used until a later period is called a prepaid expense. Reporting income when it is earned and expenses when they are incurred is called the accrual basis of accounting. Generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, require the use of the accrual basis of accounting. Reporting income when the cash is received and expenses when the cash is paid is called the cash basis of accounting. Changes recorded on a worksheet to update general ledger accounts at the end of a fiscal period are called adjustments. Supplies adjustment on a worksheet. Before the adjustment, we have supplies expense, supplies. After the adjustment, we have supplies expense and supplies for $530. So our new balance is $90. On the worksheet, you're going to write the debit amount in the adjustments debit column on the line with the account title Supplies Expense. Write the credit amount in the credit column on the line with the account title Supplies. Label the two parts of this adjustment with a small letter A in parentheses. Prepaid insurance adjustment on a worksheet. Before adjustment, and then after adjustment. Write the debit amount in the adjustments debit column on the line with the account title Insurance Expense. Write the credit amount in the credit column on the line with the account title Prepaid Insurance. Label the two parts of this adjustment with a small letter B in parentheses. Prove in the adjustment columns of a worksheet. Rule a single line across the two adjustment columns on the same line as a single line for the trial balance columns. Add both the adjustments debit and credit columns. Rule double lines across both adjustments columns. Explain how the concept of matching expenses with revenue relates to adjustments. An expense should be reported in the same fiscal period that it is used to produce revenue. List the 4 questions asked in analyzing an adjustment on a worksheet. What is the balance of the account to be adjusted? What should the balance be for this account? What must be done to correct the account balance? And what adjustment is made? That is the end of Lesson 6.2.